everyone, welcome to Ziz Cozy Corner, where creativity meets the conversations. This show is dedicated to all artists to share their stories, experiences, and the challenges they face in the entertainment industry. So today, see nalabo bantu labo abane story abanama challenges abawafesayo. Right? Today ngihleli no bhuti wami ubhuti Smindlos no MTK. Bhuti bami niyaphila?
Siphile kakhulu but nje esingaqala ngakho singasho sithi qhoma ntombi qhoma qhoma ntombi qhoma
Hayibo
ngithi bakulindile ekhaya
ekhaya balilizi
oh
emagcekeni bapithizini awuqome ntombi yabo
ayikho le name uSmindlo ngihamba no MTK kunjalo nje bafethu akukho okuningi esikuphethe but siphethe okuningi
yeah
akukho okuningi but ngiphethe okuningi
kuningi okusemgodla godleni
right so like ingoma le eniqeda kuyicula
ikhuluma kakhulu lena ikhuluma kakhulu because umculo esiwenzayo kufika isikhathi la sibonayo ukuthi because khona ama artists esiwagurumayo lo kujavisa sathi sibashiyela bona thina sesikhulile manje sekudinga sideliver message must deliver message we need to deliver into ethinta inhliziyo
oh yes
lapha sithi intombi ayiqome ekhaya bakulindile emagcekeni bakikizele mangisho njalo ngihamba no MTK isuka kude ke suka eDubane suka na sehlangana okwesibili should nabo sithathu sazohlangana
na kanjalo
yeah
so enikuhlanganisayo like nihlanganiswa ngomusic ne
music mase kuphinde kuzothinta spiritual
yeah
la kudla khona nami ngikudla khona siyatholana
nami ngisathi ngizokufaka lo ukuthi ngeke ngahlala phansi ngayibuka nami lento ngingedwa ukuthi akuza kanjani ukuthi umuntu ufisa ukusebenza naye ekhaya but mawufika phambili niphinde
futhi nihlangane
so
ukuthi there is something there
yeah ezinye izinto sesibalekele kanti abasuke besiphethe nabasipha izinto ibona abasiguidayo abantu ekumele babe seduze kwethu nabantu ekumele siphile nabo nabantu esingenza nabo into engaya phambili mina ngingabaleka ukusebenza naye ngeke kwabanye but mina khona into engazi ukuthi manginayo izophuma because neqoma that iphuma iqoma fika uproducer ngiqeda ukugeza endlini uthi haya samse studio so mina ngicela uproducer ngeke ngikwazi ukuya studio engekho sibani bani
oh man
yabo ngicela ukufonela umfowethu tsara usoficana phambili kodwa ngeke isession iqhubeke ngekho because I knew ukuthi meka khona akudingi ukuthi nami ngiye all out ngiyazi ukuthi ngizosebenzisa ama ideas uzosebenzisa wakho ama ideas masihlangana phakathi nendawo ila kuzophuma khona umlilo wento njengoba sisebenza phezulu kwe EP yami naye sobabili then masukube EP yami ngedwa kube EP yakhe yedwa then masuba ama artist ethu esifuna ukuthi siwanyuse asemasha kunathi njengamakhehla ngithi
iqhubeka kuthenini ngilebe ngishilo ngathi akukuningi esikuphethe kodwa kuningi into bePaul MTK ethi uphezulu kwe-EP yakhe nami ngiphezulu yami mase kuba khona umsebenzi lo ohlanganisayo kuningi nje kunengoma enye esenzile ethinta kakhulu abadala because phela ngoba sihamba nje asihamba isodwa nophethe iBhayibheli but uyazi ukuthi ahambile khona enye ingoma nje ethi emsamo ijule kakhulu akuyona ingoma ongathi uthi mayidlala ujive ukuthi ulalele bese uyikhumbula ukuthi wena usukaphi umiphi nowakho umsamo
okay
because ezinye izinto ziyadinga ukuthi siphinde sibuyele emuva
yes
ukuze siye phambili uthi ukuhlehla kancane uforward too much awufuneki ufuna ubuye phambili mawubona ngathi kuyavaleka uphinde ubuke emsamo baba sikhuluma sokhuluma nje
so uthe MTK kukhona le ngoma le ethi qoma ne
yeah
uproducer uthe niye e-studio and then wafonela uBafo by that time bese nihlanganisile noBafo
ukuthi
bengekho iphume e-studio
thina masi e-studio asibhali thina. Yeah,
siyaphiwa
lokho esuke sikucula ku spiritual. So into oyithola kuwena mase uhlangane nalomuntu lo linka naye ngokwe spirit. Yeah, umsamo uvuke kanjalo. It happens ukuthi khona enye ingoma engiphezulu kwayo nje manje ade sixoxa nje manje uthi bafo lapha kushoda wena. Kunengoma ikhona nje izoswakala. So kuyona ubengekhona but ithe idlala into ayishoda ndikushoda yena ngifeature ishuda ubulanga uFace umuntu kaMaskandi because ngibuye ngigxile kakhulu mina ngilalela message kakhulu rather than ujive.
Okay.
Ingoma ejive siyazenza because ngisebenzisana nama artists amaningi o producer sisebenzisana nabo including yena umfowethu because umgodla wami.
Yes.
Sebenza noFuze uJizzy Fuze, sebenze noMax, sebenze noCreature. These three producers basebenzisana ngisho bona. Sweetland spiritual because umfowethu mangeke akusebenzeki nabo basebenza bo2 be3 bephinde besebenze nathi.
Okay.
And then under the umbrella kunama artists abhaya ke but ngeke ngiye lapho abanye nje bakhiphile music video izolo like uDokotela ingoma yakhe ikhona mongena nje lapho uthi Dokotela omnyama umfana waseLimpopo because masenza music we don't look ukuthi sothatha abantu base KZN waseLimpopo thina singabase KZN nabantu base Gold Eastern Cape sisebenzisana nawo wonke umuntu yabo. So iphumile music video yabo. Shout out to the guys, shout out to Ovision, Hoodie, baningi nje no Jizzy Fuze nawe Dokotela omnyama la ukhona. Cela abantu ba subscribe ke bafethu. Ba scream music because artists la esiwaphushayo. Funa sithi siwaphusha nani bafethu lapha emphakathini
the support. Yes.
Yeah. Njoba nje this time sebenza namawele in terms of ama event dala ke sebenza namawele awuzochecka nje ithombe zethu eziningi izinto ze social media amawele there kuma performances amawele lapha samba namawele oshuni
baningi amawele oshuni.
Yes baningi nje ama artists enizowabona under iumbrella kaSmidlo no MTK because kahle thina si umbrella. Sifuna bangene ngaphansi imvula ezashaya thina nezoshaya zingabashayi bo.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Athina nje sibe isumbrella.
We keep them away from the streets.
Oh man.
Yeah, we're trying to keep like abantu abasha away from the streets. Bangayitholi bebhema ama drugs, bangayitholi bene peer pressure ukuthi okay uyaphumelela uSpanman but mina kwenzeki. But kunama hotman akhona asazi struggle ukuthi sime kanjani but athulile awasisize yangithola. So I feel like if singaba nenhliziyo eyodwa mina ngiyabonga ukuthi umfowethu uSmidlo sigcina ehlanganile. Ngakubonga lokho umhlaba ubhekile because ukwazile ukuthi engilalele ngikwazile ukuthi ngimlalele akubanga ngathi sobabili mahlangana. Ukuthi bafu ngoba mina ngiya-artist nami we-artist yakhumbula lapha cha hlalile phansi zathi bafu okay kulungile nathi singayenza ingoma and singashaya music siyazazi ukuthi we still good we writing nani but asibuke labantu asebefana nokuthi thina esibazalayo.
Oh yes.
Because ngithi nathi sizaliwe sakhuliswa nathi sekhona esifanele simababuke ukushiyana kweminyaka sekukhomba age gap. Sengiyakuzala lapho so sekumele ngikunakekele itsala uphuma emathunjini yami or uphuma emathunjini emunye umzali but ukudla umzali angakhali kusasa nathi isikhala siqamba amanga ngathi besigebe kade sikhalisana naye asimlekelele ngengane yakhe.
Right.
Ngengane yakhe ukuzibuye ekhaya iphephile iclean inekusasa. Yabo kuthi noma kwenzeka ibona idla leyo savana noma leyo bhiyanyana abona ukuthi ingane yami isageza isaclean isanezinto ezenzayo. Yabo because sine siyagqugquzela ukuthi mangabe ufuna ukuba umusic funda sebenza enze art yakho.
Okay ungabheki
phela uzogcina usulambela
ke masuchuza abangani ngokuhlakanipha because sometimes awumdingi umngani kodwa udinga umfowethu. Sometimes awumdingi ubaba lokuzalayo udinga obaba.
Oh yes.
Yabo awudingi umama lokuzalayo udinga omama. So moyingane wingane nanoma ukupla uhamba khona. So mina ngiyayithi mangifica igenge ibhema ngeke ngikwazi ukubhemisa ngingayazi reason ngeke ngikwazi ukukuthengela ugwayi ngingayazi ireason ukuthi after uqeda ukubhema uyokwenzani.
Yeah, because it might happen ukuthi awubhema ubuyabhema, there's something you're going through. Mina nami masingahlala phansi we can erase leyo nto leyo ugcine nogwayi leyo ungawubhemanga. Mawubhema futhi hayi ngoba wenza into wrong in according to ezinye izinto ezisuke zisiforced ukuthi sikwenze lokho. So we need to understand ukuthi abanye abantu baseyintweni hayi ngoba beseyintweni. Thola umuntu kuthiwa isidabo but akekho umuntu omhlalisa phansi abuze ukuthi why every time manginawo uhlala udakiwe. Mhlawumbe ungahlala naye umntwana lo engakuchazela, omunye uzokutshela ukuthi mhlambe this is the situation. Abanye basuke bekhuluma kuyiphutha athi hayi ngishonelwa abazali engisemncane so ngayithola ngihlala nabantu abanje. But ngenzisa 1 and 2 and 3 isifiso sama-artist amaningi suke kukurecord bona basuke bethatha lokho ukuthi mangarekhoda sengiphumelela. It's a journey and indlela ende kakhulu, inde ngisho ukuya eCape Town because kufanele urekhode siphinde sikufake idiscipline ukuthi usunayo i-art. Wenza kanjani i-art yakho ukuthi abantu beyireceive ngendlela e-right bayihloniphe. Okay, usunayo in terms of performance because awuveli uthatha i-art uhambe uyoperform. You need to understand your audience. Abantu engiyeba performela abantu
abanjani.
Mina umfana wami nje obenza i-out yenza i-art before ayo performela abantu uqala siperformele endlini and beyicasukela leyo nto icaphukela before. So uqala usiperformele endlini, if you can't entertain us singabazali bakho ngeke uzuba entertain laba abantu because abakwazi thina une-advantage ukuthi singabazali bakho siyakusupporta automatically. Yabona. So i-art bafethu is not about taking USB noma yini uyoperform ngishaku live. Uyiqala kuwena owedwa. You can even perform for yourself usendlini if uyithanda i-art. So into esizama ukuyinxenxa kuma-artists, love i-art but ngezimo esezikhona emhlabeni ungathengiseki. Ungasijahi i-spotlight. I-spotlight sofika ngesikhathi esiright. Masingakafiki kushuta kusona isikhathi ungenza u-shortcut because siyadingana laba fethu. Asifuni umuntu ethathe lento then in 2 years 3 years time asisakubona.
All right. Oh, ngicabanga ukuthi uyakhuluma. Okay, now that nithi ninama artist like ni umbrella and then kukhona these kids.
Yes.
Like yindi enifunayo kubantwana like for them, like maybe I'm sure ukuthi kunomntana osekhaya manje obhekeleleyo ongathanda naye like naye ofunayo ucula but then like akayazi ukuthi makathini or maybe he's taking the wrong lane.
Yeah.
So like efuna ukuba under your umbrella ke.
Mina as MTK Black Shandies, I've opened a Black Dance Entertainment since 2018. I'm the only artist to sign under the company. Then I co-signed one artist, Yamaskandi, and I Engi Krume from KZN. Now, Sasa KZN, I'm about of course back. Then I've started this movement back in 2011. So ngenhlanhla-ke ubafo ngafika naye emqondweni uSimindlo and the same thing engicabanga.
Okay.
So mina my aim is not signing the artist. That's why I said I'm the only artist to sign under the company. My aim is to save your royalties. My aim is to save your power. My aim is to save your image. My aim is to mangithiwa sinengoma kuma-streams manje. Makufika imali yayo mayithi 1,000 rand uthole ezandleni.
Okay.
Ungathi ngaba nemali but iyadliwa ingoma yami iyaduma but imali cha, I'm here to save leyo nto leyo. So that's why sihlangene nobafo sisenze i-joint venture ukuthi okay yazi ukuthini
because umqondo wenu ube yi-1.
Yes, mina ngeke ngikwazi ukumela ama-artist ayi-4 ngiyi-1 asiwahlukanise phakathi thatha 2 ngizothatha 2. So kule 2 egcineni ngizoyinakekela uzoyinakekela nami leyami 2 uzoyinakekela but egcineni asenze sure labantwana ukuthi nga-art yabo bayakujabulela ukuba kwi-art industry.
To support what MTK is saying, mina ngokwami vele ukusayinwa I think is scam. Kufuna ama-artists akufunde from lapho because if I sign you khona about contract, it means automatically mina nawe ayikho I-trust yokuthi we can do this without i-paperwork. Isho ukuthi wena uyayibophezela ngisho ngabe sokufika isikhathi la wena osungasathandi khona, you need to abide ugcine isivumelano se-contract. Kusho ukuthi thina siyaqala ukusebenza mina nawe ngendlela yami abantu bengangizwa. Siyaqala ukusebenza sesivela sithembana. Yabo njengoba sisayinisana kusho ukuthi khona umunye ongathembi ukuthi omunye uzobaleka nani. If wena ubelieve ukuthi wena uyi-umbrella, angicabanga ukuthi i-umbrella inendaba umuntu mayishiya phansi enethwe imvula okwakhe lokho mayinethwa,
because wena uzohlala uyi-umbrella still.
Khona abanye ezobathola. I've been working with ama-artists since ngabala ama-production esengisebenze nawo, but umuntu engathanda umbala ngoba kuyakuthiwa thina sincoma abantu uma sebeshonile. Usisi uZanele Mbokazi umuntu ongigrumile wa-Future Leaders, uyena onginikile ukuthi I know because ngiyakubona nayo lento lokusebenza ne-youth, awusebenze nabo ngizobona imphumela. So baningi emva kwabe ngisebenze nabo ngengibabale ngezizathu zokuthi ayikho into enhle eyangivelela ngisebenza nabo. The only person engimkhumbulayo lo mase kuba ama-producer amaningi engisebenze nabo, DJ Target, abo Nice One, may rest in peace. Abantu engisebenze nabo ngeqiniso Athemba Target namkhumbula sasicula lapha iyawe roof ibambe yayidume yonke indawo ingoma, even Eastern Cape. This is the very same uSimindlo bese ngomeni. So ziningi ingoma but ngeke ngize ngibale because it's not about me njengamanje. It's about ukuthi lama artists ezama ukwasiza asizakala. But at the same time yazi ngizoqalisa ngebhola. Ibhola balekile ukuthi ucoach alidlala ibhola so that you'll understand ukuthi abadlali bahlula kini. Mawuvele waba ucoach ofundela ibhola, is very hard ukuthi utrain abantu. What I'm trying to say, meanwhile no MTK senza yona art, sihamba nama artists ebona perform. It's easy mangonika direction ngithi yenza 1 and 2. You can understand ukuthi lo muntu as much as ngimdala mngaka I'm still entertaining abantu. So mina mangizokukhosha ngento engayenzi wena ubona ngathi lo muntu understand ukuthi i-crowd, mina ngiya-understand the crowd ngoba wena uyaphuma estage ngigibele or mina ngiyagibela estage no MTK ulandele wena. Masifika lapha ngama-artist, enye into engicela ama-artist ngikwenze kumfana wami isikhathi esiningi ngokubuka ukuthi kufunakalani lapha, ngivele nje ngisuke ngithi cela wena ozoqala iyashintsha iprogram manje ukuthi wena bekume kanjeni ukuthi uzongena ngokubukela ukuthi yini edingakala. Ngivele ngithi MTK asibangene because we need to make sure ukuthi lento iyenzakala. This is our show. Mayingavele ibe slow from the start sithi sokuvuka ngegiya khambe yanga ukhokhiwe lapha, funeka izinto zenzeke. Owele bayazi ke amawelo show nokuthi yebafethu sokushubile enivele nenze njalo bavele bedabula. Yabo abasho ukuthi why thina soqala, they understand ukuthi senzani. But omunye umuntu ozobefuna ukuzosebenza nathi uzonga understand. So masithi awuvula
athi athi maybe benithe akuzuvula mina, then why all of a sudden nizothi vula?
Bear in mind ukuthi njoba nje sibhaquzela empilweni, unemoto nginemoto, sebenzise upetrol wethu. We don't ask you anything as an artist. Nala uya khona ukodliwa ngabe khona iphuze edingalayo ama cold drink ithina lapha. But mase ngicela a simple task nithi go there and represent when uthi awungeni manje. You don't see ukuthi it's not about ukuthi mina ngifaka ngoba ngingakuthembi, ngoba ngifuna lento yenzeke. Angifuni iqali idrayise njengoba iqali ithi 2040 800, ngifuna vele ithi 120 abone lo muntu esize kuyena uthi kuyasetshenzwa. So amanye ama-artists understand, but omunye uyayithi hayi mina ngeke ngisahamba nalapha, sinankinga nalapho suke singipintshisa thina sigcwele thina mfowethu. But abantu aba-talented sohlale sinayo indawo yabo, abantu abadiscipline abafuna ukulalela. But obona ukuthi uyazi shaya shortcut uhambe
bonethwa imvula
i-umbrella izobeka
kuba ukufakaza nje ngamawelo shuni ne basazowabona abantu wherever we go, or MOE basazombona wherever we go. Kuno producer ke naye esazama ukubuilda leya relationship to make sure ukuthi okay naye singiyamfaka ni exactly ngaphansi kwalo mpheme yamthola. but amaweleshuni to be honest kuthina awafesanga ukuthi hayi bafeza sicela ukusipana nani no ukuyikhandla kwabo
yikho
ukusebenza kwabo ikona uthena athi masike emakhoneni sisherelane inkulumo sibonana sathi no man labantu abafuna ukuphuma emakhanda ethu why singabathathi bafe nathi la sifa khona
neqiniso ke mfethu
yeah
abafethu abaningi they are so talented but they lack honesty
yeah
so laba fethu since sisebenze nabo do you know ukuthi sinemsebenzi esiyenza beside music they can tell you ukuthi omunye wele ukhona omunye uzophuma ngo9
yeah
it doesn't matter ukuthi siye Germiston noma siyake singahamba but somlanda lo muntu
yeah
not ukuthi sifuna ukubahlanganisa it's because we understand thina ukuthi ngokwe art uweleyo yede ngaperform but labantu mabe u2 ba create something bawenza lento esifuna is not ukuthi uzomoshe upetrol nesikhathi no it's about ukuthi masiyenza le masters ne show sitshela abantu let's say ishow izoba umhla 14 February umhla 14 February we need to deliver no excuse ukuthi ubani ubambeke emsebenzini abakufundi lokho abantu lokho kwethu indaba esobuya la ekhaya sikhuluma 1 and 2 siyashayeka la singenza kanjani
sibhala kanjani amagap
so nje ayi uningi bafethu abanye abantu esisebenzisana nabo not ukuthi siyaba ignore yini but you need to have that thing yabona mfethu mina kumina ayi ukuthembeka okwemali kuzale ukuthi mohluleka ukuthembeka ayi should noma imali ingafika ofika sesixabene
enisaxabanisa wesi ke manje
no nje la khona umfowethu nomunye engithanda ukuthi abantu bemshayela izandla singamshayela umuntu mayise eshonile kunomfowethu lapha mama approach observatory ubhiza usebenze nabo Brown Dash uMadluphuthu baze bahamba emhlabeni besebenza naye bathi ubhiza irecord label yakhe iback to casa hayi ukuthi ngiyamarket ngoba mangiya lapha anytime I can record I can bring the artist and record noma nini so abantu abanje abatholakali and thina mase sithola ama platform manje ngalawo it's all about thina ukhohlwa abantu abalapha yabo okusho ukuthi wena every time you meet people uconcentrate lapha yabo nje fana la ekhaya mina ngibuya kwesibili ngangingasi la ekhaya ngazi so MTK but ngafica ngathola ikhaya so that's why sithe must decide indaba owele sathi no wele abese la ekhaya yabo because kuyasetshenzwa laba fethu yabo nje namanje kuyasetshenzwa mangitshela ukuthi ayi ungadideka ukuthi iqaleni nokusebenza awuthi kusetshenzwa ngathi kuphela khona abanye ade bephuma sokuphume nabanye so i dedication yalabantu ukuthi one day masiqondelwa izinto noma ingaqondanga ngalendlela oyifunayo because zohlala iqonda unokushoda uthi yakabi no bakhumbula abantu abanjani you don't need to be reminded ngekhola ukuthi sikubona ku TV because abanye bethu ahlaniphanga njengami ngizokushaya ngesikini ngizothi ngikhuluma nawe enye into ngikhuluma enye indaba ngithi congratulations ngibonile eshowini ukuthi angisho kangenjalo I'm reminding you ukuthi uyakhumbula ukuthi sikuphansi yabona lapha manje ushiya umbrella ngoba kusesama imvula ingabuya angifiseli ukuthi imvula ibuye but ama-season ayashintsha so yebo ilento engiyifundisa osizuzanele imoto yakhona yayithi I'm a future leader I will never forget where I come from so ngenza sure ukuthi even engaseke emhlabeni leyo nto iyaringa emqondweni
oh man
you have to be disciplined umuntu
so like now that nithatha ama-artist niwahlanganise like nibasize nibagroom and everything ningabakhokhisi next so that simple means like nenza like compared to ama-record label like anifani nje totally anifani so yini nina eyenze ukuthi nizitshela ukuthi anifune mali
it's not ukuthi
or like nine history ukuthi like nikhe nabani ku situation enjalo
bayazi ke mina abadla imali zami ngababali bayazi yabona nje uzothe ngibona ku TV ethi naye le ndoda le uSmindlo yena lo majava netshezi bayazi kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi siyaphela naleyo mali angikho-ke lapho yabo into enza lokho ngiyaxolisa kuma record level if ever mhlambe ngikhuluma but nje vele ukusayinisa iartist iscam sahlala phansi no MTK okay asinayo imali engakanani sinemali yokuphila okay ngisho ngabe sinayo imali alikho i-artist engathi siyakusayina. We have to look through your heart ukuthi wena usesimeni ukuthi singasebenza nawe. Asifuni ukubophela ogodweni thina sikusayinisa izinto. Wena moneqiniso awudingi ngisho iphepha.
Uzosayina ngenhliziyo.
Usayina ngenhliziyo. Anti siyasebenza siya-connecta ngokwe-spirit. Yabo but leyo ukuthi sibophane ukuthi wathi wena. Ifethu ngeke uyabona unkosikazi mase ngasakufuni asakufuni. Lokhu ukuthi sashada baba akasakufuni. Phuma endleleni. So ungayiforce izinto mfethu ukufoster kuyalimaza. Yabo. Mase nje artist selikhetha ukuthi maningi ama-artist aphumile i-contract ingapheli kuma-record company ngezathu zawo. So thina we're not going to do that. Imali izofika but we will make sure ukuthi ayisikhathi thina imali nama-artist. Mawufuna imali sokunika imali. But i-art iyona ebalekile. I-art iyona ebalekile because mawusiza abantu even though bengangakusiza ileyo but the thing is mayiphuma umuntu lo ethi useyahamba or kwenzakalana khona omunye kuvuleka isikhala somunye ungaphela umoya ukuthi yabona ubani wenza kanjani vele la emhlabeni khona ama task esowa perform ngeke wa perform mhlambe kulelo artist usuke wena i-role yakho usuyidlalile. I just secret one more and more. Miyeke lo muntu mase kufanele climb nango umuntu. Not ukuthi uyayuzwa but mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu ukudalela ukuthi wena uthi
khulisa.
Khona i-primary, khona nje i-preschool, khona i-high school, khona i-varsity. Yabo.
Levels.
Mayise lapha na ngeke ukuthi wawufundiswa yimi primary. Yes, wawufundiswa. Ngangifundiswa uwe thank you ngilapha manje. So ezinye izinto you must let it go. Not ukuthi uyalobe greedy.
Nani awazi bese ukuthathela umuntu olambile isiko ube vele unaso isiko. What they use ukuthi ufisa ukusiza umuntu ungeke ukwazi ukumelana nakho. Yabo. So ngo-R5 esitholayo meshoda ngejini umuntu sifuna ukuthi avele kubantu emuhle so wazi ukuthola ijini.
Manhle.
Ngo-R2 esitholayo so wazi ukuthola iskip. So ngeke ube ne-outfit mhlambe u5 sikwazi ukushutha lezo thombe shuthe lo music video kubantu uzovela uyilento efunakalayo. Thili kuze ngene lento oyifunayo ukuthi uyobheka ekhaya. Thina sifuna abantu abazovusa amakhaya mfethu. That's our aim. Sifuna abantu abazovusa amakhaya. Siyobonga uNkulunkulu mfethu noShembe nabasiphethe. Kodwa thina inhloso ukuthi nosibukayo manje it's not all about us. It's all about helping one another and creating the better future. Because I feel like bayasizakala abantu kwamanye ama-sectors. But when it comes to art, fanele kuhlale kuqhuma isibhaqa. Fanele kuhlale kukhona okhalayo. So if uke washawa nawe wakhala wayizwa umvuzo yokukhala wazi ukukhalisa abantu.
Yes, bengifuna ukubuza lokho
ke wazi ukuthi payback isongeswa sebenzi.
I-reason eyenze ukuthi niyenze lento lena it's about izibhaxu ezikile zakhala. So you don't want anifuni ukuthi abanye abantu baface lezo zibhaxu. Wow, that's
ngizothi ngibone ukuthi kusemnyameni ngingena emgodini mase ngiyathula ngoba mina ngilimele. Angikutshela ukuthi hey bafu sengilimele la awuzamenya ungene komunye umgodi mhlawumbe ongconywana kunalo because mina sengisuyile la uthi njani. So nje but ama-artists mayifuna ukusayina abafethu engasayina asingabeli umuntu ukuthi ke ama-contractor namhlanje abanitshela ahamba nezinye izinto. Leyo mhlawumbe isitori sangolunye usuku. But mina ngifuna i-artist maliphumelela nge-art. Hayi ukuthi khona la usudlule khona. Yabo okungenani ungadlula emsamo wakho. Hayi ukuthi wena sokufuna uhambe obani kilometers. Mawubuya kithi sikwazi ukuthi hayi Simindlovu simazi uyaperforma nje crowd. Manje usugibele stage ungakasho lutho ukuhlanya abantu. Mase nitshela ukuthi into enormal leyo. Bathi ngeke ngigxile lapho. Kodwa ezinye izinto beyibuka ngeso lokujula. Ayekho umuntu wakibele stage ebambe imic engakaculi. Abantu sebeyiginqa phansi abanye bayakhala. There's something wrong ngalo. But ke asithi bangamaseleba basuke bajabulela but thina siyisinda ayikho into enjalo. Ayikho beginqe abantu bekhala inyembezi phansi. abantu abakujabulele ngendlela e-right ukuthi bake-excited if befila ngathi kuneyinyembezanyana hayi leyo kuyibhonqa phansi. At the end of the day masekhandlwa kusuka kumashow uzwa kuthiwa kushayisana iy'moto wafa abantu abangaka. Imhlola leyo bafethu kusho ukuthi lapha ensweni khona ensweni thandaza ezinye izinto. So sifuna ama-artist ephumelele ngendlela e-right, not shortcut. It can take you 10 years, 15 years, it's fine. It's a learning curve. Yabo ngoba uhlala 5 years ungaphumeleli khona izinto oyifundayo. Mina engathi mangifika ku-industry ngishaye 1 year ngiphumelela khona into engayifundanga and ukuthi ngisurvive kancane. Mhlawumbe ngizoduma ngizoba i-one man hit. Ngiduma ingoma eyodwa ngiyamalala. Yini khona izinto ongayifundanga along the way. Awupolishiwe. Wena uvela wathatha industry othi into elula. Ingakho abanye bewe stage. Artist elihloniphi i-art. Ngeke udakwe owe stage. That's the first thing. Uzofika uso respect i-art.
Awukwazi ukuphuza emsebenzini.
Ngeke.
Awukwazi ukuphuza ushayela.
So wena bane freedom ukuthi akufuthiswa lapha emsebenzini kuyafuthiswa. So you need to respect people so that they will respect you. Akekho umuntu ozorespect umuntu ozofika khona nje omunye nimbonile ngangimusho because ngiyamhlonipha wenza okukhulu ku-music. Wow stage.
Boom.
Yeah, bamkhipha walala kahle kahle.
Walale perform.
Yes, athi trend ivideo yakho. Asala usise sibamba stage hayi bamkhipha. So lo amuntu mayenza kanje hayi ukuthi siyamhleka. We are learning from him.
Ukuthi you don't do.
Yeah, ukuthi asenzi kanje. So that's what we teaching ama-artists. Imali isazofika ama-artists amancane. Kofika imali engaze ngangena efonini yakho. Bono 0 uthi 1,000 udaya kulo 1,000. Imalini le manje sikutshele sithi hayi lo 120,000 owakho. So imali engako mayiqala ungena kuwe ukuthi wena uyithole usungasancenge emuntu. Nalabantu abebekushuta lapho. Hayi mina vele bengivele ngizophumelela. 2 ngenswembu mina vele. Answembu bonke lama-artist mfethu ukuthi alekho i-discipline. Banswembu bonke labantu khona ngabe baphumelele but abanye babalekho i-discipline. Khona umuntu one-hit but owagcina ukwenza i-art mhlambe ngoJuly ukuthi eperformela abantu. Yini unswembu?
Okay.
Ulindele ukubhukwa. Thina sinowele mfethu siyahamba sohlephula. Sinesikhathi nganamali etheni because we believe i-passion yethu le. Sahambe silapho sojabulisa abantu. Masiphuma basihage benze ini besibone nje abantu abanemali. So you need to respect i-art before ugijimisa imali. So ungathuli kanjani awusekho.
Kuma-artist enisebenza nawo yini ama-challenges enifacana nawo like zikhona izinto enibona ukuthi hayi like
thina yempethu vele ishaye kakhulu ngoba umfowethu akagxilile kulezi zinto kakhulu ojwala nani nani. Mina akangiphuzi ngiyabhora. Angibhemi ngiyabhora. Angigijimisi laba futhi straight and lands ngihamba khona kusuke khona intwana yami so I need to do things
kumele ukuthi naye afunde kuyo.
Yeah, so into eshayayo thina sikwazi kuyosenza nomuntu osedakiwe. Ngisho ngathi uyiphathi kabani kuyada asikwazi awuthiyami because it's respect i-art. Thina daku usuqedile. Bazowele. Akusenganqatshiwe notshwala. Ukuthatha nje 1-2 ukuthi uqinisa amandla ube nesibindi ungene stage is fine. But ngeke ngitshela ukuthi usukela u40% wena no2 nize noqede mase uthi usaze uperformela abantu uthi wena hayi mina utshwala ngiyabaza. Beyakwazi bona. Yabo. So lezi inkinga esihlangana nazo uthola ukuthi we are willing to help but hayi yabona ukuthi alasho
usagcwele umasicuse.
And the worst part is sejuzi la. Suka endaweni ehlukahlukene. Good enemakhaya.
Enasikuliswanga ngabazali abafanayo.
Abanye mina ngeke ngibaleke nje I'm too old to ngaba nomsali. Yabo. Ngokwami ukubona because abazali bahamba at early age so khona abantu abancane mfethu 12 years 15 years 17 abangana abazali. So lo muntu mayihamba ebonakale kanye ku-TV ekhaya babheke something ukuthi wena uthathe leyo 500 rand okuyiphiwe lapho uperform eparty uyibox ungasendi ngisho 100 rand ekhaya wasuyitshela ukuthi kuzoqaqeka hayi bogcina usuthi wena nebhadi
thina emi yethu lapho njengoba bafeleke echaza nje Simindlu ukuthi emi yethu ukuthi wenze izinto ngendlela. Phila impilo esimple. Ungabi celebrate umsebenzi wakho ku-celebrate-ayo.
Oh wow.
Ingoma mayidumile abantu beyithanda umsebenzi loyo. Wena hlala uyithobile kubantu because iparish lomuntu omnyama neparish lethu njengoba sekuyi-art kwathina nathi njengoba sithi sifuna ukusiza abafowethu. Ibona abantu abasibukayo kuma-podcast, ibona abantu abalalela umusic wethu, ibona abantu abasidownloadayo. So mahluleka ukwenza kahle phambi kwabo, hluleka ukuhamba kahle. Mina yazi ngeke ngathatha ifoni ngeliya ngayibuka ngathi mina yazi I'm not good kulezi zinto zokuthi ngibe online mase ngiyakhuluma just anything. I rather kukhuluma umsebenzi kunokuthi kukhulume mina.
Yes.
Because mina mhlawumbe ngizothi ngiyakha kanti sengiyamosha. Yabo. So kuze laba engifisa nami ukubenza beqonde kumele baqale babone ngani ngayo inhloko le yimina. So mfowethu Simindo ngohlezi ngiphinde ngimbonge ukuthi le nqola njengoba siyibambile naphinde nasibambisa ezi podcast nakhona ukuthembela kuthina nakhona ukusilalela nomhlaba nakhona ukusibeka phambi kwawo. Mina ngingakusho ukuthi osibukayo nosilalele mefisa ukusixhasa nokusisupport azi ukuthi uzobe ngasupport thina nomfowethu Simindo, uzobe nganiki umthokozi Sinzimande imali, uzobe nganiki umfowethu Simindo imali, but uzobenzela le ngane zase South Africa ekumele siyinciphise edakamizweni. Hayi ngokuthi siphume sisenza amamashi nokuthi silwe nabantu ngokuthi sibobaba kuzona zonke ingane ekhona. So isandla esikhona masiluleka awusiluleli ukuthi upha mina ukuthi ngifuna iLamborghini nani. I'm not there. Into engifisa ukubona le ngane lezi ezizemva kwethu ezikumusic. Cabanga mina ngaqala umusic 2009. Yebo leminyaka emngakanani kuba ngathi uyaduma sometimes bakurophe. Hayi ukuthi uwehla ngoba ungenayo ihit. Uyarobheka ungakafika esicongweni ubone ukuthi yazi ukuthini. La should mina ngafika esicongweni ngizokhala. Uze ngingaze ngikhale angihlehle ngisacasukile.
Ngene kubhlungu ukuthi urecognize. I remember nje kathi selapha recognize SABC out of abantu abaku100 twayithe so performer ema-Fan Park 5 gigs ngalesa sikhathi World Cup. Ubona ukuthi lento okudala sayiphusha. Ugcina ungakhokhelekanga but uyisayinile imali.
Oh, iphelela kuphi ke manje?
Iphelela kulomuntu obekungamele. Lo production ngaleso sikhathi. Yeah, and mawusukuya kuma audition ubungamtshelanga ukuthi nawe uyozama ukuze mawufeyila ungagoqeki. Mase kuthiwa no, you are going through. So kuthiwa EP production osebenza nayo uthi nayi kuthiwe mfoneleza umbiza njalo
take over.
So ziningi izinto ezenzala but asingashintshi. Asingashintshi yabo nje nani ngendlela eneyo like abengiqalayo mina ukuthi ngize podcast ngenzela ukudla ngihle ngisuthi ebengiqala lokho enkwenzeka ithi ningakwenzi baba yophela ukudla kwala ekhaya. So khona izinto ukuthi mawuzenza from the heart ngokubukela ukuthi abantu benzeni mase uphela umoya ungapheli ngitshela ukuthi nje i-task yami le bengihlelele uNkulunkulu nedlozi ukuthi mina ngodlala le role ocabanga ukuthi uyangiyuzayo kwakhe. Mina ke nje ngithatha ukuthi angiyuzeki mfethu mina nahle ngaloza imali ezinkulu kabi yabo nje le ndaba yo 5000 10000 enganandaba nayo imali yokuphila but mangithi ngibuka imali enginokhwe yona bayazi nje bazongibona besho ukuthi hey cishe wakhuluma ngento kodwa ngoba bayisho
bacross fingers.
Abanye bakhuphukile abantu yabo abanye bakhuphukile baphinde bawa cause mangicross uwele kanti uwele uphethe iformula yokuthi kusasa sibe right ngizofika lapha okudingala khona MTK uthola ukuthi mina sengimcrossile ulwazi lami ligcina la or beside ulwazi idlozi noNkulunkulu belinginika agcina la ukuthi lo mfowethu ngoba umnikiwe osebenza naye nokhuphuka nonke yabona ngoba wena umshiya hayi nawe sala lapho. So ama production amaningi hayi ukuthi abakhulanga ayimise wona ngothi abambela ama artists
inyembezi zabantu kahle
and ayiweli phansi inyembezi
umkhalisa umuntu
ungazi noma wakhe nomkhulu wakhe yabo asihambe indlela efanayo phela yabo abanye bakholwa abanye bahamba so uzomosha ingane yomuntu ohamba
adile ngawo
asiza abantu nje umzansi asithi 2026 for me ngisho nje lo nyaka ungaqala ukuthi this is a beautiful year so vale kahle sawuvula kahle so vale nge-TV sovula nge-TV so nongazi uyazi namhlanje ukuthi ithini amabhoza yabo so kumele uphume emabhozeni
exactly
uphume emabhozeni because mina ngikholelwa ukuthi mawulwa ngayo yonke indlela khona umuntu ongakuvalela but once wa lose focus yazi ubaba wethile athi mofuna ukudrive imoto panami ofana nehash lomjaho ofaka amahandisi kanje ungabheki into eziningi because if wabheki into eziningi uzoluza focus ungaqala sesibuko ngigcine so stickile so empilweni ungabuki into eyenzeka kamakhelwane noma into eyenzeka nayo ugcine wena sowuphumile kule yakho yangithola focusa entweni oyaziyo ukuthi okay yabona manje futhi ngithe ngifuna ideal lapha bangangisayina but ngiyazizwa mina ngine talent ngathi ngifuna ideal lapha bangangasayina ngiyazizwa ngine talent yiphi indlela engazenza ukuthi ngizisayine noma ngithola abantu abazokholelwa kumina
mtike injalo and ungayiforced mfethu kubantu yabo nje mina I'm not that big in terms of abanye abantu but abanye bayawazi amafama kunengoma more than 6 zama artists ahlukene ngikhona lapho phakathi angaze into ngicela ungena they understand the role yami abazile ukuzongiuza they understand ukuthi lo muntu lo mayifikile engomeni wenzeni nengoma kalomfana oqeda ukukhipha nje udokotela omnyama nengoma ezophuma manje ngoFebruary because usayiniwe ikamva lethu one of the brothers oBrascoach ababekuyikalawo nengoma ephuma ishanda bang khona lapha aze ngicela ungena kunengoma kaJeezy Fuze kune-EP kaJeezy Fuze ezophuma kunengoma ezokuthusa ukuthi kanti uSimindlo wayengadejelwa ngani sonke lesikhathi ngiyacula lapho ngizobe ngikhona lapho kune-EP yami ezophuma ukhona MTK kune-EP ka MTK ngikhona so abantu abaningi not ukuthi ngizongicela ukuthi ngicela ungena ukuthi abantu bayazi ukuthi this guy what is capable of ngiyazi mangifuna into ejulile funa ngiye MTK kunengoma ka Jeezy Fuze ezophuma ezodansisa abantu uzodansa noma ngabe ungathandi
uzodansa nami noma ngakwazi ukudansa
uzodansa lapho ithi thatha lento wayigcobhoza umfowethu umlaleli semotweni wathi yabona la hayi niyalwa ngithi mina ayasilo inhloso nje ukujayivisa abantu lapho khona no MOE uyasinquma nje lapho nami ngibhalile impela iverse but mayengena ngeze ukuthi yabona la ngiyanqunywa ke
yabona namhlanje
ngathi ngingabuyela ngobhala
ngizokhuluma iqiniso ke namhlanje ile ngoma engenze ngathi umwase emnathi ku-podcast because yabona lapha
iyaphuma ingoma iyaphuma ukhona kuyona ukhona udokotela omnyama ukhona udokotela la ukhona uChris
Chris Amakenzi
noma ukhona but nje sathi mase sibhalile siqedile wayibhale sekhonini epetifoni wanqaba ukufaka iverse wanqaba wathi malifaka sesiwafakile wethu wabelwa wasinquma nje sonke sabona ukuthi kube kuya ngathi ngabe siqala phansi sibhala
kahle nje singakayi na kude bafu mina ngibona ukuthi asemdedele
mina sengiyayishiya inkundla
hayi wena ishiya kanjani
yayishiya ngoba nayo khona okuhle nakho konke abantu abaningi bebebona uMOE kuma event wethu ngesikhathi sama exam ngoba benza matric manje uthusile ngokuphasile ngebhachela to balance equation so ezinye izinto uNkulunkulu athi mayizenza unga-understand ukuthi zenzeka kanjani but ke akuvaleliswa mina ngisekhaya ake ngimdedele ehlale nababukeli
well ngicela ningisize bekunana ngihamukele uMOE uMo I'm not gonna introduce you uzozintroduce ngokwakho
okay Bansko boarding is coco sethi nje siyakhonkoza umalambane bangibhobola manje phansi bakoroba ya bafethu igama lami
Mondli wesizwe Clinton Wachangase, but my stage name is MOE.
MOA.
Yebo.
Okay, baqeda ukukhuluma ngawo ukuthi like wena before uhamba like makune event bathi uqale uperformele ifamily before uyo performer lapha yana. How does it feel?
It feels exhilarating ngoba it gives you the preparation you need before uya lapha my event.
Okay.
And most of the time I don't really have to, do that. I just freestyle it all. I just do what I feel is right in my heart.
Okay. Then about isikolo ke ubaba futhi ushilo ukuthi like uyacula at the very same time uyacula at the very same time ubusenza grade 12, right? So ubalance njani music nesikolo?
Well, it's all about having a very well set structure. And you'll burn out very fast.
With easy pace. Easy pace
So, yeah, injani support from ubaba, like music uqala uncele kumama or uncele kubaba?
Angancela kubaba.
As it?
Yeah, ngakhumbula ebengivezele isombe ngaphambi kwemic ngisana 4.
Oh, really?
And in my head I always categorize that moment as a catalyst for the passion that I have now for music.
Wow.
And I feel him. I'm crazy whenever he goes to his performances, his studio sessions, and the passion of music that I have can continue to grow and grow and grow.
Okay. Or it grew the time this is a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it got to a point where I produced not exactly produced, but I recorded my first track when I was 10.
Really?
Yes.
Do you still remember it?
Yeah, I still remember it.
About ingoma yakho le ongene ngayo, right? Ngicela usitshele kancane nje ngayo.
It was a very interesting process, yes. Got this figure lapha studio Felix Sanchez on the same time. Beat yakho Creature, the producers are Creature. I was very hands-on in the whole process. Bese umnikazi studio Cheesy Foods, where my feature is otholakala khona kwi-EP yakhe.
Ngicela usitshele ke ngengoma yakho into iGalavanza.
Ize kanjani, iqhamuke kanjani?
iGalavanza yaqala ngebeats engazenzela yona.
Oh, okay. Ushaya nama-beats futhi?
Yeah, because like in the music industry, I aspire to be a producer in a way.
Okay.
Yeah, like a lot of things
okay.
But I know I won't always be alone. We are under, an umbrella. And once you're under that umbrella, because you'll be provided the guidance that you need, the direction, the motivation, in this industry.
Okay. Uyifundile hlena like ku Buddhist Mindlo no MTK? I mean about into producing angithi ufuna ukuproducer nabo ngama producers, right?
Yeah.
So like nawe ufuna ukulandela ekhondweni labo. So kunezinto ozifundile kuba ukuthi okay fine, I've got this they are doing this, then like okay, this is a good thing. Kunezinto ozifundile obvious scope.
Akuningi ngifundile.
As it?
Like the direction of the song. Because you can't sing a song without the audience catching on ukuthi ngempela ukhuluma ngani, ucula ngani. Singatholanga ngempela on in this craft that you gave us.
Okay.
It's the direction, the vibe. Necessarily, music is all about the vibe. If you're not providing the vibe, then technically what you're doing is I don't want to say pointless. That's too harsh. Yeah, but there should always be a message behind the music that you're providing to the audience.
Okay. And umsasemncane man, but izinto ozikhulumayo
Yeah, uhlala nenjini kufanele.
Oh right.
Phela abakhulu ngeke ahlale ngabe ingozi.
Isilungu speed rightly.
Yeah, uhlala nenjini enkulu, yeah. So nathi senze sure ukuthi ekhonweni lakhe like kumele senze sure ukuthi siyamnakekela siyampolisha and advantage yakho ingane yethu.
Oh yes.
So yabona umuntu ukuthi uncela
Mayiphuma ecaleni yashaya.
uncela more than ukuncela yabo, because iminyaka sekuyona mina I always believe ukuthi umuntu mase ngangomo for me ukuthi ubekaceda isikole, no, for me is my brother. Naye ngicathi unokuyibuza why ngithi bhuti mo most of the time, because it's like a brother to me now. Yabo lonke la ngizohluleka khona ngakhona ukuyimela lonto yabo, so that's why senza sure ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi asimgrumeli ukuthi aye phansi, but kumele abe nepower ngaphezulu kwethu njengoba nizwela nje ukuthi iphotho liphekiwe. Yeah, livuthiwe futhi and
Ayiniphekile.
lisazovuthwa kakhulu logcina seliyiphaka lona. Loko ningasaphaka kwayithini yabo, kuzohamba isikhathi sazi ukuthi hayi manje masimshiye la usengakwazi ukubuya ne-feedback ekuyiyona. Yeah.
All right. Yeah man, ngiyabona niyasebenza niyaphusha.
Yeah.
Kunjani ukusebenza no Mo?
For me, he's a cool kid. Yeah, he's a good kid because uqala kwami ukumbona bengiqale ngeza umsebenzi wakhe.
Okay.
Yeah, mfowethu ngilalelisa ukuthi bafuna ingane yami la is doing this and this. So for me angizange ngibe nale nto ukuthi yabo ngaba nale nto ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuthi athi efunda but sibe simphorisha, athi ephuma esikoleni aphuma into yakhe seyisolid. Yeah, so ukusebenza naye une-respect oqala and mina yona into engihlezi ngiyiphasisa yabo, noma ungeza nani kumina eduze kwami but uma ungenayo respect for me leyo nto sengi-rejecte nje saqala. So for uMo mina ngizibona mina mangibona uMo ngizibona mina because nami after that music in the age. So ngaze ngamtshela naye bafo Simindle ukuthi yazi ukuthini bafo, mina into yakhe ngikhumbuza mina, so angikwazi ukuthi angaze adlule exactly la ngidlule khona, so asilwe ngayo yonke indlela. So umuntu ohlonipha njengoMo, umuntu oyimisela njengoMo, because yabo njengamanje if yena bazi ukuthi vele nobaba bakwi-art ubezofocusa ngenkani kwi-art, but ukwazile ukusilalela wafocus esikoleni. So njengoba naye njengomuntu yabo ukuthi from ekukhuleni kwakhe ukhomba ukuthi umuntu obambayo ukwazi ukurejecta umsebenzi ungakaphumi, but ukwazi ukuzwa esesemncane ukuthi le ngoma lezi sisebenzile but azingarelease.
Oh wait, tell us about imisebenzi le, like umncane wazini.
The reason why I rejected some of those tracks is because I see those tracks as the period of time when being so cool. I was still experimenting with my sound, I was still experimenting with my own identity. So, manja, I feel as though it's the perfect time for me to actually release my music, because I feel as though I found myself, I found my craft, I found my the stuff that I resonates with when it comes to music, and I want to, take this opportunity to present it to you guys.
All right. So lezana wabona ukuthi hayi azifiti lana kule category. As it. Ngicela ungijajele zona. Bezinjani ingoma lezana hle?
Ingoma even now sayiperform yamala abantu ayifiti kunengoma ethi boss. But nice song though.
But mina for me I understand because music music ingoma manje ungayithanda usayibhala ungene studio yenze release or ibe unreleased, but wayimamela 2 times uzozwa nawe ukuthi yazi ukuthini angani mina ngadlala lapha ngazi kumele ngiqinise. So if enendlebe enjalo I feel like akayiforce art for me, akayiforce ikuyena. This is our next superstar.
Oh man,
yeah, this is our next superstar.
My goal is to like make commercial music album. Umculo olalelayo, olalekelayo.
Music ongakhona ukulalela, yeah.
On nama like more than ukujiva, ube like ube yinto ongayilalela like iphe essence, inama messages. Oh.
They can dance, you can move, but at the same time it's only
a message.
Rhythm, yeah, because Music, you must inspire people actually. Yeah, it's all about that. Umuntu akajabule ngaphandle nangaphakathi. Yeah.
Kunabantwana abancane obuza ukhuluma something. Kunabantwana hlena like there is someone out there owenza grade 12 or 11 or 10 or ku music like or like ofana nawe oku music at the very same time kumele ukuthi abhekane nesikolo. Ungathini kuye lo mntana loyo?
The advice that I'll give to him or her or they is to stay disciplined in your craft. Because rushing it would show some of the imperfections in it, but I'm not trying to say that everything has to be perfect. It just has to show, the you in the music. And manje, if you are planning on multitasking the whole thing about bambeng up, scale, bambeng up, so they are very, rapidly.
Which means focus
which is school. Which is school, ne? And then music
Yeah,
that's what it
because makhona incwadi yonke into iphelele. Yeah, makhona incwadi yonke into iphelele yabo. Because uyazi ukuthi noma ungena kuphi awukho la uzokhulunywa khona ilanguage ongayi-understand. Yabo.
Akukho lapho uzosayina izinto ongazazi. Uthi usayina lana ube ungezwanga ukuthi bathini lapha phezulu.
So yabona ukuthi sibheke ibhodo elivuthiwe mfethu mina mangibona uMo I'm happy so umzansi anyway la kufinyelela khona le podcast mina ngakujabulela ukuthi besisupport benikele lo abanganikela ngabo sikwazi ukuthi abantu abafana nabo Mo amawelo shuni nabanye abafowethu abasastakile la bestakhe khona sikwazi ukubafaka ngaphansi kwale umbrella sibakhulise. Because the aim ukuthi laba futhi laba bangaba ama-breadwinner because once you have that thing ukuthi we-breadwinner mina for me kufana nokuthi so feel kahle laba sifuna ukwakha abantu abazokwazi ukunakekela amakhaya nokuvusa amakhaya. Ungabi i-breadwinner because once wabe i-breadwinner esekunakela asibe nomuntu ozovusa ikhaya ozonakekela ikhaya kuze naye masezakhela umndeni wakhe kungabi nzima ukuthi awumele. Yabo angagcine ebuya lapha ku music esefika uyalo endlini fana lazi ukuthi mase emsebenzini uyasebenza mase endlini uyahlonipha futhi uyakwazi ukunakekela ifamily as much as ekwazi ukunakekela icraft yakhe. Yeah, so sina sizama ukwakha abantu abaclean ngayo yonke indlela. Fanele ube clean spiritually, ube clean like appearance, ube clean, ube sober ngisho engqondweni. Yeah, sidinga abantu abasober minded, sober yonke indawo, uzazi into ozenzayo, uzazi la unyathela khona, uzazi la uhamba khona. So for me it's a blessing ukuthi lo mfowethu sihlale naye namhlanje.
Okay, I'm so proud of you, man. Like I like the fact that ukhonile ukubalansisa incwadi zakho because singabazali siyafuna ukuthi nizenze ezinye izinto and at least kena uhlangane nomuntu like unobaba from endlini and then wathola abanye obaba. Music wakho like ugxile kuphi music or like ugxile kuphi into genre?
Angigxile kuzo zonke.
Oh, okay.
Ngawe gqom piano hip hop ngizongena kuzo.
Oh,
Ngoba ingane omncane ngaqala ngani ngegqom. Sanga release lezo ngoma ngoba sabona ukuthi cha igqom isinokuphelela ngapha eGoli. Sangena kwezinye izinto bekuyipiano bekuyihip hop nayo. Now in my recent track Galavanti we can tell that there is more improvement, there is more evolution involved in the track.
okay. Like uthi Galavanti. Hamba njani hlena like ngasusi taste yayo ke.
Now that's ngihlebulele verse. Okay. Yeah. Awungikele ngisongcabiphi bathi 6 feet enhlabathini do you dig me? Bajavana nje sobethe mina uMOE ngempela ngishelela ngempethe flow njengoba Gcwalisa inkomishi usiletheke siphethe siqampele nabo mami OMG abo cream de la creme wedali waza-ke momozo ufune cash ngiyiphathisa njengotshisi ngidle nhlobo edliwa newish kamarami ngiyawahlanganisa ngathi chemist ngimoto ye-ice cream ngilethelekele umipika ngene ebhashini ngibokobe ngithera flow ujulile njengoba ngishisi uyimaintaine kuyabisha sivuka ngebheshi nale ndaba yemithi let me emphasize left and right ipalapa
All I'm killing is ungabi P But 6 feet enhlabathini do you dig me Manje fanele usiphethe mina wemowi Ngempela ngiyashalela mphethe flow njengobit Gcwalisa inkomishi usichithekele siphethe base Qambele nabo mami OMG yabo cream de la creme wedali Ozake momozo ufune cash ngiyiphathisa njengotshisi ngidle nhlobo edliwa newis kamarami ngiyawahlanganisa ngathi chemist ngimoto ye-ice cream let's killing
amzathi
Usazokhala. Hayi sengiyezwa manje ukuthi seziyakhala Clara. Proud of you again.
Yeah.
I mean like bengicabanga ukuthi izothi ukutsheka kancane because ngingaba impressed kuleyana yokuqala and then again uza nenye futhi uze nenye kahle. I mean like still
and I just want to take this opportunity to be grateful for the support that I've gained and supervision and guidance from Oput MTK, Smindlo, and everyone that I've collaborated and worked with. And I want to be grateful for the opportunity that you, the Cozy Corner, for providing me the platform to talk to Intanga Zam Nabo about that are pursuing art.
Oh yes. Siyajabula masibona umntana olingana nawe ozimisela esikoleni amayiqeda lapho aphinde futhi aqale abe kwi-art ayenze music at this age from support yomzali at the very same time alalele abazali nabantu abakhulu kunaye like keep it up. So proud of you. So now that ulana ke manje kwi-industry, kwi-entertainment industry, expect leyo because obviously zikhona izinto ozibonayo ubona ukuthi lena man ingathi bengamelanga ukuthi yenzakala so lena right lena ingathi like expect leyo ke kwi-industry nohalela ukuthi ingathi ngashintsha lena yenzwe so.
And they lean there like the industry is I don't necessarily expect to be signed under some company or anything or under a record label because I in the future still see myself as an independent artist, so creating my own music without being under any obligation from anybody. But I still want to I still want to remain as humble as I am. I still want to take advice from everyone that is above me or even below me or you can be at any level.
Abantu osebenze nabo so far abobani?
Sengisebenze uSmindlo, MTK, Jeezy Fools, Creature, and I've worked with him a lot since we have a lot of chemistry together when it comes to the whole production process of music.
Yeah, what's up, back to Kasi?
Now you're back to Kasi.
Shout outs.
Okay.
So spanning abantu abaningi.
Is it?
Yeah. We are there to make more hits, make more music.
Let them come. Masbuye.
Yes, siyabangena.
Well, before siyivala again, music wakho utholakala kuphi? Like umuntu ofuna ukuzwa more of these things zaka more.
Now manje music wami angawukhiphi ngoba bengisaqile kwisikole and everything.
Wow. I like the fact that uthatha isikhathi sakho yazi.
Yeah, but this craft takes a lot of time and a lot of patience.
Okay. I like that. Like everything inesikhathi sayo. So like awujahi ukuthi uthi usesikoleni ube ufuna uku release so like
And makufika isikhathi sengirelease khona mase ngikhipha i-EP yami kusazokhalwa eMzansi kusazohlaya.
I can't wait ukukhala ke. I can't wait. So like mawukhipha uthe earlier on besikhuluma la ngaphandle wathi mawuso-release uzo-release no music video claro.
Yeah.
Oh.
All videos included.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, skhathini siqedile. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it, Shaina. We appreciate it.
Thank you to the viewers. Shout out.
Oh, guys. Oh, thank you so much. Sihleli nomntana omncane, the youngest. Okhile wafika kwi-podcast. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate ukuthi nibukele like nihlale nathi all the time. Nangokusubscribe siyabulela, like isibulela everything, support yenu, guys. Just keep on doing the right thing. Until next time. Danko.
Yeah, sina nje sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ama-podcast la siwabona but singabona abantu abakuleminyaka kuyona futhi nina